Have you heard about arthroscopy? How it is done, when it is done? Myself, Dr. Shreesh working as sports injuries and arthroscopic surgeon at LLH Hospital, Musaffah. We are doing arthroscopy for the last many years. We are doing arthroscopy for knee joint, shoulder joint, ankle joint and wrist joints. Arthroscopy basically involves the treatment of various pathologies and injuries related to sports and various other things like we are playing football, basketball, running, cricket, these kind of sports activities, recurrent dislocation of shoulder also. So these injuries nowadays are treated with arthroscopy using small cameras, and we give very small incision, you can say keyhole incision, keyhole surgery, and we treat patient with these small incisions only, and patient can go home early and go for work early. So for any sports injuries or any other injuries involving joints, knee joints, ligament injuries, meniscal injuries, please come LLH Hospital and meet me.